I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating your SIM card with Bell Mobility is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your new SIM card, your Bell Mobility account number, and any identification details handy. This will speed up the activation process. Step 2. Visit the Bell Mobility activation page. Go to the Bell Mobility website and navigate to the SIM card activation section. This is where you'll enter your details to begin the activation. Step 3. Enter your SIM card number. Input the SIM card number, which is usually printed on the card itself. Double-check this number to avoid any errors that could delay activation. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once your SIM number is entered, follow the prompts on the screen. You may need to confirm your identity or select a plan if you haven't done so already. Step 5. Restart your device. After completing the activation process, restart your phone to ensure it recognizes the new SIM card. This step is crucial. Sometimes, the phone needs a reboot to connect to the network properly. If you run into any issues, make sure your device is compatible with Bell Mobility's network. Happy connecting!